How to use add member tag feature in WhatsApp group. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use the add member tag feature on your WhatsApp application. First is of course access your WhatsApp app and then make sure that you're logged in. Next thing to do is to access the specific group that you have. And from here, for you to access the add tag feature, all I have to do is to tap on the existing group name. From here, just simply scroll down, and then all I have to do next is go into members, and from members, choose on your current name and then choose on add member tag. From here, you can definitely um, customize your tag name. So say for example, owner. And all I have to do next is just simply saving it. Now, if you would like to edit the current tag that you made, all I have to do from here is to tap on the existing tag and then choose on edit member tag. Then from here you can edit whatever tag name that you have in mind. And then if you would also like to delete the current tag, you can use this recycle bin option here at the upper right portion. And that's it. That's how you use add member tag feature in WhatsApp group.